There are lots of platforms to be used as virtual classroom for the new normal. One of the accessible platforms commonly used by the learners is Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is an American messaging app and platform developed by Facebook. Originally developed as Facebook Chat in 2008, the company revamped its messaging service in 2010. Later on, Facebook has launched as the dedicated website interface on messenger.com and separated the messaging functionality from the main Facebook app, allowing users to use the web interface or download one of the standalone apps. Users can send messages and exchange photos, videos, stickers, audios, and files, as well as react to other users' messages. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a virtual classroom using Facebook Messenger. The said platform has so many features, such as microphone, video or camera, screen sharing, and video sharing, in which you can present your lesson through a PowerPoint slide or videos that the learners will be able to see on what being discussed by the teacher. Here is how you are going to create a virtual classroom using Facebook Messenger. First, open a browser. I am using a Google Chrome. Go to the facebook.com. Enter your email or phone number, and then with your password, and then click login. And find the icon of the messenger of your screen or the upper side. Camera icon with plus sign. Wait for a minute, and then you will see your image. You will go to the settings. You can change the setting of your camera, also with the microphone and the audio output. First one is the share your screen. Second, see call participants, turn off video, mute microphone, and leave room. The first feature, share screen. So I'll be going to present my lesson in a PowerPoint presentation. Then I will share it to my students who are in the room. For example, I am presenting the lesson of the power supply, particular in the ATX power cable connector, 24 pins. So I will present this one in our messenger through or by clicking the share your screen. So in the share your screen, there are 3 categories. You can share the contents of your screen by choosing the 3: your entire screen, application window, or the Chrome tab. So I'll be presenting. I will choose first the entire screen. So whatever the presentation of your screen will be the same view as the learners. And then I will be choosing another one. So this is the screen view. The screen view for the learners. Next, I will stop. I will choose another one, the Chrome tab. What if you have the internet and then you're going to access the YouTube, and then you want to present a tutorial video from the YouTube, You can share it by clicking the share screen. Okay. Yan. Then, as you open the video from the YouTube, this one will be viewed also to the learners who are in one room. Okay, so that's it. That is the view for the learners. They call the participants. At this time, it's only one. It's me in this room. So I cannot call the participants. So during your lesson, you need to invite your students for them to come in your virtual classroom. Then how you're going to share your link of your virtual classroom? You just click here, the share link, click copy, and then paste it to your GC, the group chat of your students. So paste, and then they will see the join room, and then they need to click join room for them to enter in the room. The last one is the leave room, the color red. Leave and get a call when someone joins. If you don't want to receive calls, you can permanently end the room. So in the leave room, there are two options: end room and leave. Leave and get a call when someone joins. If you don't want to receive calls, you can permanently end the room. Okay, congratulations, you learned something today, and God bless.